Spend my days with a woman unkind, smoke my stuff and drink all my wine.
Damn, Jeff.
You're so cool for work.
Oh man, Jeff.
Shampoo, I didn't know what that. You got shampoo. Is it bar shampoo? Then it won't help.
Why? It'll make it smooth. Here, watch. I bet you it'll help. Here, come on. Just try the soap out of your face. Okay. I don't want to make a lot of bubbles in your driveway and get someone pissed off at me.
I have a feeling this is a horrible idea.
Go. We're not running if you're gonna go.
He's not gonna do it.
Try it.
We are now gonna shampoo the hill.
Alright, watch it.
I'm gonna try now.
Here, what's up the border?
This is slip and slide skateboarding, man. Extreme! Go.
Roll another blunt.
Let's take a look at the path Eli has just taken. This is one extreme setup. What we need is a ramp. That's great. This is the boogie board, Eli.
I was gonna creep my way until I got high.
Go, George.
I was gonna get then I
You're on the boogie board. Oh! This is the loss of Eli Heller. Okay, got it?
Okay, this is what happens when you fall. Never mind you, this is concrete. This is a dumb idea. George is just gonna... Not gonna go fast enough. Okay, go.
This is gonna be really lame. I think you broke something.
Oh, my head hurts.
This is gonna be really lame. I think you broke something.
Oh, my head hurts.
Zoom out. May I remind you that I told him this was a bad idea. Okay, we've got one. Let's see the armband. Okay, two.
It's not that bad.
Two, how's the head feeling, buddy?
Bad.
Bad, okay.
It's better than
Alright.
Let's see the leg really quick.
Whoa!
That is disgusting.
Listen, I'm gonna
Okay,
die.
my buddies Eli and Jeff are about to toboggan down Eli's grassy hill.
Getting hurt.
Are you ready to rock?
Hurt.
I know I am.
Will flip.
I don't know how do we get forward?
Okay, go!
Push. Ready?
Push! Push! Oh my god, push!
So stupid. Push. Ready? Ready? Set. Go. Go.
Yeah, use your hands. Stop being a pussy. Oh, lean forward.
Okay.
Start out push. No, push. Just push me a little bit down so that you can get in. Oh Jesus!
Oh my god!
My tailbone is killing me. This is what could have just happened. Sprinkler, ground, sprinkler, ground. Jeff and George are just stupid enough to try it again.
Yeah, I know, I just needed a second to get
Set. Put your feet in, Jeff.
It's hard, George.
Whoa, we rule!
George is taking a lot of space.
I've almost got it. Oh my god!
We were that close to the sprinkler.
Oh.
I'm hungry!
And I need the balls. Ow!
Oh, ow!
What is that?
Eli doesn't seem to be doing holy shit, it was
What?
Sledding. Escalade!
This is stupid. Ow! My back! You broke his back. That's sad. Jeff is gonna try to make a turn. Jeff! What? Turn it off. Why don't you try like a... Film me. Let's see.
Go!
He's gonna make his notorious turn. Oh Jesus. Turn it! Ah! I hit it wrong. Oh shit! I was gonna flip and you know it. Ah! We're about to go. Turn it! Down! George, you're about to get hit by a car.
I know.
Jeff, are you filming?
No. Why would I film George climbing up the hill looking like a retard?
On! I give up.
All afternoon now, shoot an apple off my head.